We are pleased to show you the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.